Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I'm a little frustrated right now. I've been working on a couple of projects and I can't break a screw loose on one, and the other one I can't get the pliers open. So it's super frustrating and I want to be successful at something. So I was digging through the box of tools my brother-in-law sent me, and this was in there. And I thought, is that a 3/8 inch breaker bar? But no, it doesn't have enough heft to it. Well, it occurred to me that it's probably a torque wrench, or a portion of a torque wrench, because you can see right here there's where the gauge went down to the bottom, and I think the handle and whatnot. So it's all rusted out, but it looks pretty easy. So I thought I'd clean it up and maybe cut it part of the way down, because I don't need a lot of torque on it. So just as a little handy way to hold a socket. We'll just see how it works. So follow along. Well, that's it. Kind of a silly project, but you know, I like this. I'm calling it a socket bar, and you know, so many times when I'm using a socket, you go out and you get a socket, ratchet, and then you have to go, oh, it's going the wrong direction, or it's going the right, or you got to adjust it. Like, for example, this socket is really difficult to change the direction of, and sometimes you want something just a little that you can hold. I'm thinking specifically, like if let's say you're tightening a nut in a bolt, you can use this to hold in the socket in the back. And a lot of times I use a little 1/4 inch socket for that purpose. But in any case, you know what, here's the thing, I didn't throw it away. You know, it was rusty, it was a piece of crap, and now it looks decent, and I'll throw it in my toolbox, and works great. But before I go, I just wanted to say thank you very much to Scout Crafter. He mentioned my channel on a video yesterday, and I went from 100 subscribers, which it had taken me a year to get 100 subscribers, and within a day I had 400. So thank you very much, Scout Crafter. You're a big inspiration to me, and I appreciate it. So anyway, that's it. We'll see you next time.